Hi friends, I'm Shreya. Through this video, I will show a set of necklaces. I hope you like it. I have used beads and crystals to make this necklace. Watch the video till end. I hope you will like it. I will mention the sizes of beads. Kindly listen carefully. First we took needle and fishing wire. Then we took 10 mm crystal and 6 mm white bead and one 8 mm white beads. After that, we took 8 mm, one 6 mm white beads and one 10 mm crystal. After that, we took one 8 mm, one 6 mm white beads and one 10 mm crystals. Like this, we repeat this step total 8 times in the same process. I am making a flower for this necklace. For the middle one, I used 14 mm off-white pearls beads. 2 such flowers will be needed for this beautiful necklace. Now we took 3 pieces 10 mm pearls beads . pieces 8 mm pearls beads, Now I have taken one piece of 6 mm pearls beads. If you find it difficult to do this place, please look again. We will make 2 such triangles for this necklace. Now I will start to make chains for this necklace. I will use 10 mm crystal again. I will use 3 pieces of 10 mm crystal, 1 piece 5 mm, 1 piece 10 mm and 1 piece 5 mm white pearls. After that, again take 4 pieces 10 mm crystal, three pieces 5 mm and 2 pieces 10 mm white pearls. Mm 5 pieces crystal, 10 mm 5 pieces crystal, 4 pieces 5 mm and 7 pieces 10 mm white pearls. Again take 5 pieces 10 mm crystal. We will continue the same process for the chain we are making. We will make 3 chains in the same process. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and support Diyartiepie by liking and sharing this video. Did you like this video? Please comment. When the 3 chains are made properly, we will attach the flower that we made at the beginning of the video. Since you were still watching, I hope you like this video. Please like it. I have used audio in this video on your request. Please support me by sharing it on social platform. We have used 5mm and 10mm white pearls and 10mm crystal to make the upper chain of the necklace flower. To make the upper chain of the necklace. Similarly, on the other side we will make the chain. Along the middle of the 2 chains that are made above the flower, we will make another chain. To make this chain look more beautiful, we have used a 14 number of beads, a 5mm beads and 10mm beads and 10mm crystal and 5mm beads and 10mm crystal. Please make the middle chain in this process. Thank you so much for watching the full video.